Okay, so this is part 3 of our midterm review. This part will be relatively short. It's going to go over finding the area of the triangle to the nearest 10th. Now, we did this previously in the semester, and we had 2 separate formulas for finding the area of a triangle. Instead of using the letter A for area, we actually had used the letter K. On your blue formula sheet, it's written as the letter A, so you don't have to worry about trying to remember if it's an A or a K or whatever. So in this particular problem, we are given 2 sides and the angle that's between them. If you are given this configuration, then we are going to use this formula. A equals 1/2 AB sine C. The A and the B stand for the sides, so that can be the 13 and the 14, it doesn't matter which order. And the capital letter C is going to stand for the angle. So in this particular formula, all we're doing is plugging in. It's very simple. So 1/2 times 13 times 14 times the sine of 49. And let's go ahead and plug that into the calculator. So let's make 1/2 0.5. So 0.5 times 13 times 14 times the sine of 49. And we're going to round this. This is our answer that we've gotten. So we're going to round this to the nearest 10th, and we will get 68.7 square miles. And it's that simple. Okay, let's go to number 14. In number 14, once again, we are given 2 sides and the angle that's between them. So we're just going to set this up. We're actually not going to solve it. You can solve it later on your own. We're going to use A equals 1/2 AB times the sine of C. And once again, that's just straight plug in. Now, problems 15 and 16, I actually changed these up because they were previously, just like problems 13 and 14, we were just given 2 sides and the angle between them. But in problem number 15, notice that we are not given an angle. So if you are not given an angle, you are going to use, if you're given 3 sides, you're going to use this formula here. A equals the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. And this is known as Heron's formula. Now, the other formula that goes with this is to find S. S stands for the semi-perimeter. To find the semi-perimeter, we do 1/2 A plus B plus C. So first, let's go ahead and find S. So S equals 1/2 6 plus 14 plus 12. So this is 1/2 of 6 plus 14 is 20, 20 plus 12 is 32, and half of 32 is 16. So we're going to take that 16 and plug it into the area formula. So let's write A equals the square root S, so 16, times 16 minus 6 times 16 minus 14 times 16 minus 12. And let's go ahead and plug this into the calculator and see what we get. So to get the square root, remember, second x squared, 16, parentheses, 16 minus 6, 16 minus 14, and 16 minus 12. And we're going to round this to the nearest tenth, so we would get 35.8. And and that would be 35.8 square feet. Okay, this concludes this section of the midterm review.